Do you know how much tax has been deducted from your income so far? No? Well, don't worry. The government keeps a record of every single penny which goes from your income as tax. And that record is your Form 26AS. Form 26AS contains details of total tax paid by you, and it helps you verify whether the government has received it or not. In this video, we will explain how to view Form 26AS and download it from the Traces website, so that you can file your tax return without any hassle. But first, subscribe to H&R Block India to uncover many more secrets like how to save money, make smart investments, and best tax saving shortcuts. Step 1. Go to the Income Tax Department's e-filing portal at incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in. At the top right corner, click on Login here and enter your login information such as user ID, which is your PAN number, password, and the CAPTCHA code. Also, if you are not a registered user, you need to register yourself to proceed further. For that, you can watch our video on how to register on the income tax portal. And once you have registered, continue with the next step, which is Step 2. On the top, click on My Account and then select View Form 26AS Tax Credit option. Now click on Confirm and you will be redirected to the Traces website. Here, a message box will pop up on your screen. Tick this small box to agree to the terms and conditions and click on Proceed. Step 3. Now, to view your Form 26AS, click on View Tax Credit Form 26AS. After this, just select the relevant assessment year and choose the format for View As option as HTML on View or Download button and scroll down to view your Form 26AS. Step 4. Now just click on Export as PDF to download your Form 26AS and your job is done. Yep, that's right, it's that simple. Now you can see all the taxes that have been deducted from your income. Wait, did you ever wonder that you may have paid excess tax? Government refunds your excess tax if you file your tax return. And we can help you file your return. Just click on this link, which is also given in the description, and hire an expert for online income tax return filing. If you still have any queries, just drop them in the comments below and we will answer them for you. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to H&R Block India by clicking the red button below and get information about personal finance, GST, and saving taxes. Check out these videos as well, and when in doubt, always remember, tax se mat daro, H&R Block ke saath chalo.